Hello, I have a friend, a doctor, who used to say that there are two magical things that can change the life of any man. These magical things are money and testosterone. Well, unfortunately, this isn't a how to make money channel, but I can help you with the testosterone part. You probably clicked in our video because the thumbnail shows actor Dennis Quaid, now 70, and his 39-year younger pretty wife enjoying life at the beach. The picture itself was taken in a beach in Hawaii. In 2019, Quaid was 65 years old at the time. Look at his physique. He looks great. Amazing, doesn't he? You could say, oh yeah, he looks great, but he's rich. He doesn't have to work a stressful 9-to-5 job like me. Point taken, that's true. It doesn't mean he doesn't work a lot and have no worries, but yeah, he's rich. And I'm adding more, he probably is on TRT or testosterone replacement therapy. He is a guy that has those two magical things a man needs in his life, money and testosterone. Another older guy who has money and a great physique is Tom Cruise, who's 61. There's also Harrison Ford, who's still in a very good shape at 78. These older Hollywood guys probably keep their great shape because they are on TRTs, there's no doubt about it. But there's a very important point here. It won't matter if you have money and go on testosterone replacement therapy at 60, 65, or 70. If you did not take care of yourself after 35, 40, these guys always took care of themselves, always exercised and had healthy diets. They were always in good shape. And this is their, quote-unquote, secret. The most important thing about these guys, about me and about you, is not being attractive after you hit 45 or 50. It's being healthy and capable. Imagine you're a 65-year-old guy. Imagine being overweight, with diabetes, hypertension, bad knees, a hurting back. You can't go on a hike or go fishing because you get tired easily. Everywhere you go, you have to plan yourself ahead because you take lots of medications, each one in a different time of the day. I saw my own father die in his late 60s. He was like the guy the first just described. By 40, he was overweight and found out he was suffering from diabetes and high blood pressure. 18 years of medication intake destroyed his liver, ending with an aggressive cancer. I don't want to be like my father, and I know you don't want it for you as well. Looking fine at an older age is just a bonus. Good for our self-esteem. But being healthy and capable is what matters. And keeping healthy testosterone levels is the way, the key, to achieve it. First, you need to understand what testosterone is, how it works, and what difference it makes on your body. By the end of the video, I'm going to give you a powerful shake recipe to increase your testosterone levels naturally. Testosterone is a sex hormone produced in men's testicles and in much smaller amounts in the adrenal glands. Testosterone has several functions such as increasing libido, maintaining high energy levels, promoting mental health, regulating metabolism, contributing to bone and muscle mass gain, and strength maintenance. Physical activities like running and weightlifting naturally increase testosterone levels by up to 20%. However, it's normal for testosterone levels to decrease with aging, leading to effects such as increased abdominal circumference, lower physical endurance, memory impairments, muscle loss, and decreased libido. In an effort to delay these effects, testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, has been under investigation for a long time. However, external use of testosterone may increase the risk of prostate cancer and reduce natural hormone production. What happens to many men, especially those under 45 years old, is not a decrease in production capacity, but a reduction in hormone availability. For instance, individuals with high body fat percentages often don't utilize testosterone effectively due to a process known as testosterone aromatization. Testosterone can be converted into estrogen, the female sex hormone, through this aromatization process. This conversion is facilitated by the enzyme aromatase. When testosterone interacts with aromatase, it undergoes a change, losing a methyl group to become estradiol, a potent form of estrogen. Aromatase can also convert androstenedione, a male steroid hormone from the adrenal glands and testicles, into the weak estrogen estrone, which can then be metabolized into estradiol. The presence of aromatase is proportional to body fat mass and causes more fat accumulation, thus forming a vicious cycle. So in short, if you don't eat healthy and exercise, you gain weight, most of the testosterone you produce turns into estrogen, making you gain even more weight, suffering with gynecomastia or man boobs, always feeling tired, depressed, and making it harder to gain muscle mass, among other harmful health consequences. This is terrible for a man's health, especially for those who are 35 or older. Excessive alcohol consumption increases the production of the enzyme aromatase. Add to that the calories in alcoholic drinks, and you have a problem. This is why we see a lot of guys who drink too much beer, for example, having the famous beer bellies and man boobs. Their testosterone levels go on a free fall, causing several health problems. If you like to drink, take it easy, or just stop. In addition to reducing alcohol intake, it's crucial to combat body inflammation. When fat cells become inflamed, they produce even more aromatase. To increase testosterone availability, adopting an anti-inflammatory diet is important. This includes reducing sugar consumption, minimizing salt intake, and avoiding other inflammatory foods. The specific triggers vary individually. For some, it might be dairy that causes inflammation, while for others, it could be gluten, red meat, and so forth. Your diet should include nutrients essential for testosterone production, such as zinc, magnesium, vitamin B6, vitamin B9, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin D, and carnitine. Now to finish the video, as I promised, here goes a shake recipe to give you a big testosterone boost. The first ingredient we will include in the shake is coconut milk. It's not cow's milk because cow's milk is inflammatory and can also contain cow hormones that cause a decrease in testosterone in both young and adult men. So we will use coconut milk, which has anti-inflammatory substances, and some studies show it has an antioxidant effect on the testicles, improving men's testicular function. Additionally, it also contains unsaturated fats that are important to improve blood cholesterol levels, ease inflammation, stabilize heart rhythms, and play a number of other beneficial roles. The second ingredient we will use is ginger. Not only is it an excellent food with numerous benefits, but it is also known to stimulate the production of luteinizing hormone, LH, which stimulates the release of testosterone. The next ingredient we will add are pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and minerals. They're also rich in an amino acid called leucine. Leucine helps heal skin and bones. It increases muscle growth and lean body mass. It also helps increase the production of human growth hormone and helps control blood sugar. Pumpkin seeds also contain a lot of magnesium, which is essential in hormone production, including testosterone. The fourth important addition to this shake is celery. Celery contains vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. There are at least 12 additional kinds of antioxidant nutrients found in a single stalk. It's also a wonderful source of phytonutrients, which have been shown to reduce instances of inflammation in the digestive tract, cells, blood vessels, and organs. Don't forget, we want components that reduce inflammation in the body to reduce aromatase. Our fifth addition is maca root, also known as Peruvian ginseng. It is a vegetable that is native to the high Andean plateaus. It's great for blood glucose and blood pressure control. There are claims that it also increases libido and testosterone levels, but more studies are needed. Maca root is usually available in a powder form. It's not as easy to find everywhere, so if this is unavailable to you, you can mix your shake without it, no problem. Another ingredient I will include here is whey protein isolate. Isolate means it has already removed the fat and the milk sugar, which is lactose, and also has more protein than other kinds of whey protein. It is very important for your testosterone production. Some people eat very little protein and end up suffering from decreased testosterone levels. This is an excellent source of protein that, in addition to stimulating increased testosterone production, contains an amino acid called D-aspartic acid. Studies show that just a few weeks of supplementation with this amino acid showed a significant improvement in testosterone levels in men who were deficient in this hormone. Another important amino acid present in large quantities in whey protein is L-carnitine, which is another testosterone level booster. Now comes the seventh ingredient. The seventh component in our shake will be quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free seed that's rich in nutrients like protein, fiber, zinc, and magnesium. It's also high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which is great to avoid aromatase. Quinoa is also great for gut health and maintaining a healthy weight due to its fiber content. Finally, the last ingredient, the superfood, the avocado. Avocados are a source of vitamin C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. They also provide lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Avocados contain high levels of healthy, beneficial, unsaturated fats, which can help a person feel fuller between meals. It simply gives our body nourishment as well as everything needed to boost testosterone. Okay guys, here are the ingredients. Let's mix everything in a blender. First, half a glass of coconut milk. Liquids go first in the mix. Add half a glass of water because the coconut milk alone is too thick. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. 1 tablespoon of quinoa. Half tablespoon of maca root. A stalk of chopped celery. Already have it in this saucer. A piece of around 1 inch of ginger. This avocado has around 2 pounds. A third goes in. And finally, 24 grams of whey protein isolate. Let's see how it turns out. That looks and smells great. You can use this as a post-workout shake, or even as one of the meals of your day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you can, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments if you made the shake and how it went. Thanks for watching, and until next time.